Right now, your bank is using your money to make billions while paying you almost nothing. But there is a completely legal way to flip the script. Most people think monthly fees and tiny interest rates are just part of life. That is exactly what banks want you to believe because they profit from your silence. But that's not even the biggest mistake you're making. First, move your money out of traditional savings. A high-yield savings account pays up to 400 times more interest for the exact same safety. Second, call your bank and demand they waive your monthly maintenance fees. They have a hidden retention budget specifically to keep you from leaving for a competitor. The last strategy surprises most people. Explicitly opt out of overdraft protection. Banks market this as a safety net, but it is a trap. Without it, a declined card costs you nothing. With it, a $4 coffee can trigger a $35 fee. Remember, your bank is a business, not a vault. Start treating it like one. Drop a comment below with the tip that surprised you most. Hit that like button and subscribe to protect your hard-earned cash.